Today we're going to look into how to create custom DMG installer backgrounds using Amore. So we have beautiful custom installer images here. You can see this is the Ruma, this is Tulip. Shout out to Louis and Johannes for building these really cool apps and creating these super cool background images. We're going to try to do something much simpler, but custom. You can go as crazy as you want, and I'm going to walk you through it. So we have the guide for custom background DMGs here on Amore. I'm going to link to it later. And all we need to do is we have to download this file. Okay, then we're going to drag it into our image tool. We're just going to use Sketch for this, but you can use whatever you want. We just use this as an example, right? So yeah, let's customize this a little bit. Let's follow the instructions here. We see the window is 600 times 4, so that is okay. And later when we export it, we just have to set the export. No, wait. We have to set the export to ×2, right? So we get double the size, and then Amore will take care of the rest. But yeah, let's get started here. Let's add some rectangles around the app icons here. No fills. Use black borders. Make the border a little bit thicker. Round it a little bit. And then I'm just gonna do this like very random. This is just to show you what's possible. You can totally customize this yourself later. Let's also add like an arrow. Okay. Make it thicker. Make it also black. No, wrong. Black. Okay, and now we need to add like a background to it. We're just gonna use white. Oops. Okay, this is how it's gonna look like. It's not perfect, but it's just a demo, right? Drag to install compressor. And keep in mind, this is all custom and optional. Amore already ships with like a really nice DMG background image. Okay, but then I guess this is fine. So we can just take this, export it, call it background PNG. Now we're going to continue to use this in Amore. We can do this in multiple ways. One way is the create DMG command, and we can add an open behind it, which will automatically open it in the Finder window, so we can have like a preview how it looks like. I recommend you to use that during development, and here you can see it's what we just created. And we need to be aware that this can be overlapping depending on the user's Finder settings. But yeah, this looks exactly like we designed it, so perfect. This is basically all you need to know. If you want to use this for your app, so if I want to use this for my compressor app, here's what we need to do. So if you want to set this for every release automatically, so we don't have to edit manually to every release, we can just once set Amore config set release DMG background, and then just the path to the image. So in our case, there was desktop background PNG. And of course, also add the bundle ID. So ours is lucasfischer.compressor, and that's it. Now, every time we use Amore release, for example, we don't have to set the DMG background or anything. It will just be automatically included. Same as if you prefer to use the graphical user interface to do this.